Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna share how to set up your droops in a proper position. And I saw the video of Ryan Harris, how he explained and using the Techno droop gauge meter. It looks very interesting, and I think this is the best way how to set up the droops for your vehicle. For example, before that, I just with my caliper, I just measured the distance between the one shock position, one shock end, and the second shock end, and it was working for some time, but then I realized that depends. So I need to compare my droops with the different vehicles, with different competitors, and I realized that depends on the shock position here and here, it might be completely changed. Also, because of your just suspension geometry, it also might be changed absolutely. So I have a Mugen, but I cannot compare myself with TLR trucks, for example, or Techno trucks, because they have longer shocks or just different suspension geometry. And then Ryan explains that most proper way to measure your droops, it's calculate from the bottom of your chassis. And he using the Techno special tool, and but I decided to not use the Techno tool. I using the different approach. This is my 3D printed tools, how to measure the droop gauge. So two 30 millimeters bricks, and this is the line that explain how much from the bottom of chassis millimeters I have. For example, this is a 0, 1 is on the same position, and -2, -4, and -14, and also +2, +4, and +14. So by the way, finally it cost me about $5, maybe $7 with the shipment. I just ordered it from my RC colleague, and yeah, he printed for me. And how to use that? First of all, you need to install. Sorry, one hand is not using because I'm holding my phone here. So you need to install the 30 millimeters bricks. Did you see it puts on the right spot? And then you need to use this this second tool for your hexes, and especially for this distance. This is very easy. Just see from the side and try to fit it for your car. And here we have it touches, and it shows me that it is -2. So for the rear suspension, I have -2 from the bottom of my vehicle. And if I need to raise it, I just using this hole. Yeah, I screw it in, and did you see it starts increasing? It starts rising my droops. Yeah, and now it's about +2, maybe +4. But as originally I'm using -2 for the rear suspension of my Mugen, I need this one. And the same procedure for the front end. For example, originally you need to turn on your ESC, make sure that your servo is in the proper position, so your wheels not turning any side. But now I am just show you how I do this. I didn't turn on my ESC. And the same procedure here. As you can see, I'm trying to find how it looks like, and 0 is touching but -2 is just a bit raised on that. Did you see? So as I remember, for the front end, I'm using 0 from the bottom of the chassis, so I need to just add more space here. Yeah, here we go. It completely lays on the same spot. Yeah, perfect. This is a very simple method, and I think this is most correct way how to set up your droops for the vehicles. And what is more important, you can compare yourself with another vehicles. Doesn't matter the brand, so you have the bottom of your chassis, and depends on that, you can measure your droops. So you can come to the guys and ask, hey guys, what droops you have? They will say you -2, 0, and you'll be sure that you can compare yourself with the another competitors in the proper way, and you don't think about this shock positions, you don't think about deformation in your air arms and something like that. So if you need these 3D printed models, let me know in the questions below, and I will send you a link for the 3D models. Thank you and take care. Bye.